First and foremost, let's have a look at some of the ports and buttons that you'll find on your device. You've got the power button just there. You've got the volume control for the up and down. You've got a USB port and a HDMI port. Just turning the device around the other side. You've got your USB-C, which is also your charging port, another USB drive and a headphone port, and this is a memory card extension port. Just hidden underneath here as well, you've got a little stylus for those that may have any mobility issues with their hands. So let's get this on charge. Let's give it a little charge. So again, just USB-C, simply popping it in, and then to open it, just simply pull it, and then as if by magic, the screen will come to life.